I just want to say Merry Christmas from at Eat and Drink TV. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe. And y'all let me know what y'all cooking for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what's on the menu. You know, Christmas is a little different. People do different stuff. You know, Thanksgiving is more traditional. You know, you got your turkey, your ham, your, dressing, your stuffing, your, sweet potatoes and all that different type of stuff. But what you doing for Christmas? Y'all let me know in the comments. I'll let y'all know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing some ribs for sure. I got some smoked chicken. I do have mac and cheese. We're having a jerk chicken Christmas this Christmas. You know what I'm saying? We're about to do this jerk chicken. Check it out. Got the real allspice, you feel me? I'm using a habanero today instead of a Scotch bonnet. Scotch bonnet is really hot. And since we're cooking for people for the holidays, we don't want it to be too spicy. You know, I love spice. You know what I'm saying? And jerk chicken is supposed to be spicy. But this is a way to make jerk chicken where it's not so spicy, so people who don't really like heat or don't like a ton of spice can still enjoy the flavor of the jerk. And I'm also going to mix it with some green pepper so it balances out the heat a little bit. I'm only using one habanero pepper. Shouldn't be too spicy. It should just add a great flavor and give it a little spice, but not enough where nobody who don't like spice can't eat it. It's beautiful when you get that perfect spice where somebody who don't really like spicy and somebody that do really like spicy can appreciate it. That's an awesome, awesome thing. You know what I'm saying? Comment below and let me know what peppers you like. You know what I'm saying? There's jalapeno, there's habanero, there's Scotch bonnets, there's banana peppers, there's all different types. So comment below, let me know what type of peppers you like. I'm gonna add a little bit of this 5 spice, you know what I'm saying? For just a little bit of extra flavor and, just to throw the game off a little bit. It has fennel, anise, star anise, which everybody should know what that is. If you know what star anise is, comment below, let me know. Ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper. So this is gonna really add some great flavor to this jerk. Gotta have that garlic. You know what I mean? Smells so good. I like to add a little tomato just for the flavor. And it actually adds a little more liquid to it. So when we blend it up, it's gonna be tasting like really, really good. And because I'm adding a tomato, I'm gonna add a little basil as well. Then we're gonna put some brown sugar and honey in there, and we're gonna blend this joker up and put it on our chicken. Everything you do, you gotta season it. So just a little black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Even though those flavors are already in there, you just wanna give it a little seasoning, you know what I mean? And you can't forget our Saison, for sure. It's all about convenience products with me. I'll show you how to use them and what they're good for. Get some fresh lime juice in there. We got to have it. You feel me? Man, it smells so good. You can also add mango, apples, anything you want to it to kind of give it more flavor. Tell me what you would add to this. I got this homemade vinaigrette that I made, for my smoked turkey that I smoked. I'm going to go ahead and use that as a non-stick element on my foil so my chicken doesn't stick to the foil. But also, like I said, it keeps the chicken from sticking, but it just adds flavor as well as doing that. So we're gonna put our chicken right on top of that. Our pan is fully coated. Let's go ahead and add our chicken. Smell great. Take our little jerk marinade, just pour it all over our chicken, right? And we kind of want to get some of that. We want to rub it in. We want to get some of that on the actual meat. We want to lift the skin up. Lift the skin up like that. And rub it into the actual meat as well. Same thing with these legs. You see how the skin is lifted up. I'll just put it straight on top of that skin. Straight on top of the flesh of the meat. Yeah. Rub that in. We're going to get this all rubbed in. We're going to season it up, and we'll see you at the grill.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Baby, tell me no lie. Tell me that it's mine. Tell me it's all mine, all mine. Tell me, get up on me, love on me, touch on me, vibe with me, talk to me. Tell me that it's mine.
Never give it to another man. He done took your left on Tistain Lane.